Hello guys, I'm Adrika Bhadauria from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, today we're gonna learn how to change the title of the window, how to change the default size of the window, and how to block resizing window. So to do all these things, we have to make a Tkinter window. And this code will help us to make a window using Tkinter as we saw in previous video. So let's run it once. And it's taking time. So here's our Tkinter window, and you can see that the default title of this window is TK, and this is the default size of this window, and you can see that we can resize our window also, either from x-axis or from y-axis. So let's first change the title of this window. So to change the title of the window, we will write window dot title, and we will give the title that we want our window to have. So let's suppose we give it extra coding. Okay, and let's see whether a title is changed or not. So yeah, the title is changed from TK to extra coding. Now let's change the default size of this window. So to change the default size of this window, we can use geometry method. So let's first see what are the parameters of the geometry method. So we will write window dot geometry, and we will give the parameters between single quotes or double quotes. So the first parameter will be width, and then height, and then x-axis and y-axis. So width is the width of the window and height is the height of that window. X is how far will be our window located from the left side, and y is how far will be our window located from the upper side. So let's code it. Window dot geometry, between double quotes we will give width to be 630 and height to be 420, x to be 50 and y to be 100. Okay, now let's see. Width of our window is 630 and the height is 420. It's a little bit far away from the left side and a little bit far from the upper side. So what if we do not give these x and y parameters any value? So let's see, what will it do? See, it will give a random value to x-axis and y-axis, and it will place our window anywhere on this window. Okay, so it's up to you to give x-axis or y-axis any value or not. So how to block resizing window? A window can be resized, but how to block that? So window dot resizable false and false. false. So the first false is for x-axis and this false is for y direction. So let's run it, and you can see that the maximize button is disabled and we can't resize our window neither in x direction nor in y direction because I have disabled both the directions. And what if we give the value true here at the place of y parameter? So yeah, you can see that the maximize button is now working, but our window is extending only in y direction, not in x direction, because it is disabled. The x direction is disabled yet. Okay, so I hope friends that this video is clear to you. I will be there with my next video soon. Thank you for being with me till the end. Bye.